Burglars hate noise. Secure your shed with alarms, tough locks, and motion-activated lights that creates a scene to scare them off. Security is all about creating layers of defense. Start with a shed alarm. They activate on motion detection with a loud siren triggered after a few seconds if no pin is entered. This reduces the amount of time a thief has in your shed. On the outside, use strong padlocks combined with reinforced hasp and staple mechanisms. This protects the bolts and screws so a criminal is unable to remove it. Consider upgrading further to a concealed shackle padlock and hasp. For additional protection, use alarmed padlocks that activate when tampered with. Install motion-activated floodlights 2 to 3 meters high. The sudden bright beam plus the alarm deters criminals instantly. No dark corners for thieves. When you look out of the window, the thief is easily spotted scurrying away into the night. Theft is all about risk and reward. Increase the risk of the criminal being caught, and the safer your belongings are. Find out more at securemyhomeuk.co.uk.